संजना भाभी हटिए, हमें बूटी पर बैठना है.
7 centuries by Virat against Australia in
Yeah.
Australia. Thala for a
Maximum by-
reason.
Yeah. Rishabh Pant gets physical with Shubman Gill during third test. That's why in India.
अच्छा. ये तो मतलब फर्स्ट बेस भी नहीं है.
Yeah, and I want to give a open dare to
हाँ.
New Zealand, to Australia में मिल, फिर
Yeah.
दिखाते तुझे.
भाई वांकड़े में कोई भी जीत सकता
Ah,
है.
Maharashtra election and this test match. It
Landslide
happened.
victories.
Yeah. Then
Done a
overnight
lot of
they
work.
got a drop-in wicket from Lahore. This is the power of Jay Shah.
Fearless cricketer. Welcome to Cricket's episode number 28.
It is
Rahul Chahar for a reason.
3.2 crores in the IPL auction. Big news.
Who starts with that information on this day? हाँ, you guys were like, give us relevant info. अभी मिला ना relevant.
Yeah.
हाँ?
Hashtag Basi content. No more Basi.
Some people in the comments said we are skipping this episode. Well, you're not fully. One shot, one frame you have to see of this episode. हमने डाल दिया इधर, as you can see. So
Yeah. And let us just
mind
say
it.
that we got some really hard feedback from you guys. It was a moment of brain fade.
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत मतलब
You know,
day 3 of the test पे playing 11 पे इतना चर्चा नहीं करना था हमें. But other stuff was interesting. If you guys didn't get to it, हमने sponsorship काफी deals crack करने try किए थे.
Yeah.
Go watch that part if you've not seen it. इस बार भी करेंगे.
Yes.
But ठीक है, congrats Rahul Chahar, 3.2 crores Sunrisers Hyderabad. But that is a side headline. This is going to release, by the time this releases, one day would have passed. Hopefully not more than that.
Yes.
Since India...
Please give us some money so that we can get
Yeah.
a faster editor.
Yes, get our editor to work faster.
Yes.
It might one in the same
Yeah,
day.
we'll share the number.
But what a win, what a win. I'm sure you all have already celebrated 24 hours के लिए अभी
Yes.
at this point. But
Where were you when this is I think bigger
Yeah.
than anything. This is bigger than
Yeah.
GABA.
Bigger
Let me
than-
just go.
it's
Let
bigger
me
than-
just like say this
Oh,
now
bigger
and
than
claim
the
it.
GABA.
This is bigger than the GABA
I
for
mean-
a few reasons. Okay.
Yeah, let's
एक
hear.
तो first go my Mumbai boy Yashasvi. No, okay, not that.
Mumbai
okay,
boy
no.
Yashasvi.
It's because
Overall, yes.
we
it
we
is.
lost 3-0 in
Yes.
and we never win first test. And after 36 all out last time, of
True.
course there was Adelaide.
But
and
didn't
this
I
is-
tell you, bro? If you go back, they insult our predictions. But if
Yeah.
you go back, मैंने कहा था कि this is Gautam Gambhir cricket.
Yes.
This is some serious cricket. He had purposely.
That's why I'm wearing kind of purple.
Yeah.
Because I'm KKR and then there's blue
Yeah,
because I'm
and-
also India.
and purple patch चल रहा है India का अभी. And Gautam Gambhir strategically said, boys, let's not take it too hard on New Zealand.
Yes.
Let Australia feel comfortable. मैंने बोला था ये. And we will. And Aussies took it easy. और हमने 4 दिन में खत्म कर दिया बात.
Man, or honestly,
And
man,
I am only believe Jassi bhai. That's all I want to say.
you saw the video
I am
where
only believe Jassi bhai. ये episode का नाम भी होगा ये.
actually हाँ यही डालना है episode
I
का
am
नाम
only
अंतरिक्ष.
believe Jassi bhai is the name of
Why
this
Jassi
episode.
Bhai's wife is appreciating his butt
Oh really?
publicly. Oh, you didn't see that?
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh my god.
I mean, I saw the butt. I didn't see the
Yeah,
appreciation.
Yeah, even we see Jaspreet's everything.
We see everything. He has the best everything
He
right
says
now.
the best.
Jassi bhai पे
Great
कुछ-
booty. Great bowling but greater booty. Where Times of India has had to hashtag B.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
I
This
wonder-
comes from the unusual action.
Yeah.
Unusual release. इससे थोड़ा केक भी आ जाता है. Oh, fair enough.
Speech भी डाला उसने.
Sorry,
True
Bhabhi.
Gen Z.
Sorry, Bhabhi, to stare at your husband like that.
Yeah.
But what a guy.
संजना भाभी हटिए. हमें बूटी पर बैठना है.
I will go. बाबा जी की बूटी. बुमराह जी की बूटी.
बुमराह जी.
I will say, I'll go so far to say कि बुमराह is such a genius captain.
Yeah.
कि he knew कि इंडिया हम बैटिंग नहीं हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा फर्स्ट डे पे.
Yeah.
And he wanted to bowl, have a crack at Aussies on day 1.
Yeah.
Because day 2 pitch change हो जाएगा. So he's like 150 all out होके आ जाओ
Exactly,
वापस.
dude.
और फिर 67 for 7. That
Dude.
was the game changer.
And that was the only game. Like this,
If
honestly,
India scored 300 first innings, we might not have won this game at this
Yeah.
point. Think about that. Just think about that.
So well done India by getting out.
4D chess.
Yeah.
Brilliance of Captain Bumrah.
Oh my God! Is Bumrah going to be the next Thala for a reason?
I think it's time, dude.
It's time the PR machinery starts
Yeah.
completely.
He's the guy now.
because he deserves it.
he deserves it. He's the best in all 3 formats.
Yeah, he's the best captain.
Best captain. And
Rohit is coming back.
this is the era of the bowling captain again. So both teams had bowling captains.
I mean, yeah. Is it the era though for Australia?
Oh yeah, fair. Pat Cummins. Sorry Pat Cummins, but हार के इतना beautiful smile मत दे. मेरे को
Yeah.
बहुत sad
I think
लगा.
I'm missing the old. Okay.
Yes.
First of all,
Yeah.
let me say Maharashtra elections and this test match very like
Landslide.
landslide stuff
Landslide
happened.
victories.
Yeah. The first in the first day, third session, and that's it. That
Yeah.
was the match. That's where they lost.
Changed everything, and
Yeah.
then overnight the sun must.
Then
have done a
overnight
lot of
they
work.
got a drop-in wicket from Lahore. This is the power of Jay Shah. That's why he's ICC president. क्योंकि
Day
लाहौर से
two,
wicket.
day 1 17 wickets, day 2 3 wickets. ऐसे कुछ चल रहा था, and it's unbelievable how the game changed. We were joking कि 2 days में. Firstly, we were saying 3 days में game खत्म
हाँ.
होगा. फिर day 1 के बाद we were like 2 days में हो जाएगा. फिर day 2 के बाद we were like 5 days चलेगा.
Yeah.
Day 3 में 4 days में खत्म हुआ game.
हाँ.
मतलब cricket can't be predicted anymore.
Yeah.
Is what I've learned.
But
from
one thing
this.
can be predicted is don't fuck with DSP.
DSP. Oh yeah, please don't fuck with DSP.
I was
Siraj.
always see there are 3 cricketers who I feel
Yeah.
are the best in
Huh.
Australia. I
Huh.
trust they are the best Australian players. Like if Australians give them citizenship,
Yeah.
they have to. It's
DSP
Virat
Siraj.
Kohli, KL Rahul, and DSP. Don't
Totally.
fuck with them in Senna.
Totally.
Fuck with them in India
They are
because they deserve it.
half man, half kangaroo. They are.
yeah.
DSP सिराज ने मतलब जो sledging भी किया है उधर मस्त. And Kohli eggs him on from behind. The two bad boys of
yeah.
the team.
Of
They're like
RCB.
two pirates, just bad mouthing Aussies on their home turf.
And I want to give a open dare to New Zealand. तू ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मिल फिर
Yeah.
दिखाते तुझे.
भाई वानखेड़े में कोई भी जीत सकता
हाँ वानखेड़े में तो भूत भी आ जाते हैं बट पर्थ में कभी नहीं
पर्थ
आते.
में कभी ऑप्टस स्टेडियम में खेल के दिखा भाई.
हाँ,
हमारा न्यू फोर्ट्रेस ऑप्टस. हाँ तो
Yeah.
उधर I made some notes I want to share. एक मेरा highlight of the match was I don't understand ये analysis में why we have to AI से या जो भी
Oh my God.
put in Sanjay Manjrekar
अरे.
और मुरली विजय who came as a smuggler today. Did you see?
No,
Smuggler
cowboy
dress up
hat?
करके
No.
आया है. He was wearing pinkish brown khaki type suit
with a waistcoat,
with a
the hat, of
and
course.
sunglasses. He looked like he's got cocaine in his suitcase right now, and he's gonna put a knife and smell it and be like
Nice.
good quality maal, and then pay someone in a briefcase.
Dude, it's horrendous. Okay, like okay, so the one of the best things why it's historic also
Yeah.
is because it's not happening on Sony Live or Jio.
That's true.
Like at least Hotstar, no
No
matter.
Times New Roman font
Oh,
while clicking a button. Yeah.
And just the loading the
Loading.
entire time.
Yeah,
There is
yeah.
nothing else.
Refresh किया तो वो घर ले जाता है वापस.
वापस first ball of day 1. Yeah.
It's like a video game. You lose, you have to start from the beginning in Sony Live.
Dude, Sony Live Midnight, that Freedom at Midnight I'm watching. I'm on third season, third episode, and I'm again watching it from the top because they don't have this record, dude.
Midnight पे buffer होना बंद हो जाता है. Freedom at midnight from watching the show.
अरे dude, it's so bad. But
Yeah.
you're right, dude. एक तो ये broadcast में ये AI suddenly लाना,
Unnecessary.
उनका shadow नहीं दिखता,
हाँ.
बाकियों का shadow दिखता है.
And also उन लोग pretend करते कि हाँ इस side face करके
हाँ.
बात करना है, फिर इस side turn
काना
करते हैं.
मांजरेकर.
और what was funny was Gavaskar once was hiding behind Manjrekar as a joke and peeping. I was like, suddenly पाजी ये सब करो अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. ठीक है.
Oh my
Also
God.
one commentator.
Mumbai school of commentatorship needs to be, like really called out.
Absolutely. But also one of the commentators was commentating from India,
Yeah.
and two were there in some parts.
Okay.
So what's happening is a lag is happening sometimes. So then they're like,
Oh.
sorry Sanjay.
Yeah.
अरे भाई क्यों नहीं चाहिए. This is again Jay Shah's move, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Somehow कुछ homegrown talents को home में ही मतलब telecast कराओ.
एक चीज अच्छा किया है, संजय मांजरेकर को भेजे नहीं है वहाँ
That's
पे.
true.
अच्छा किया.
एक ट्रिप कम हुआ है उनका Aussies
एक तो पता है मैं उनके जूते देखता रहता हूँ क्योंकि उनके जूते
on the ground.
हाँ टू सी के ये AI है कि ये नहीं है. लाइक
Yeah.
थोड़ा 2 मिनट मेरे को भी कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है.
Yeah.
एंड ये लोग हमेशा टोपी पहन के आ जाते हैं, हैट पहन के.
हाँ वो
पता
तो
नहीं इनका क्या है
सनी
ये बुड्ढों
पाजी
का.
एंड हेडन तो
हेडन भी
पहन के आ गए.
हैट पहन के है ना उधर भी मतलब टोपी पहन लो यार. But
और Hayden's daughter was also doing the
yeah.
Hayden as a nepo kid who
Yeah.
was doing the hosting in 1 or 2 sessions.
Yes.
And
Jay Shah likes it.
थोड़ा बहुत
Nepo
मतलब
baby.
nepotism दिख रहा था. Let me put it that way.
Okay.
Firstly, she was saying, Dad, what do you think of India's performance? Dad,
Oh, yeah?
बस नाम बोल दे.
Yeah, you should have said Mr. Hayden.
Mr. Hayden
Mr.
तो हाँ.
Matthew.
But she was anyway. No disrespect. But nepo kids, you have to work hard to make us not call out nepotism. थोड़ा
Yeah,
fumble कर रही थी
is
वो.
she the Ananya Pandey of...
Possibly.
Okay.
We don't know who watches this, but if Ananya watching,
Ananya Pandey is not watching us.
I thought she's a huge fan of cricket. But what a performance!
Hardik Pandya is not playing.
अरे off हो गया. अरे shit.
Yes,
चलो एक और frame देखो इस episode का. By the way, meanwhile, let me say we are looking for more sponsors. This episode could be brought to you by, at least the next one could, by Fast and Up. Recharge. This is for the Aussies.
Yeah.
उनके कलर्स में भी है, थोड़ा रिचार्ज करके आ जाओ.
विटामिन
बैटरीज
सी उनके कलर में नहीं है, बट ठीक है.
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा बहुत है. From Amla extract, Asim Amla is also involved in this. And please recharge your batteries because we want a good game.
Yes.
With the pink ball.
Yeah, pink ball now, of course, it's a very toss-dependent game.
Absolutely.
But let's discuss like Yashasvi, my Mumbai Azad Maidan boy.
It is coming too slow. The ball is coming too slow. जिसने Mitchell Stark को बोला है.
Okay, so that Harshit Rana versus Mitchell Stark has a history. As in like they play for the same team.
Fair.
ठीक है तो
अब तक probably not anymore though, right?
I mean, whatever. But till they were playing and till that comment was made, they were playing together. We don't know right now.
Fair.
Like the point is that still felt like in jest.
Yeah, it
and
was
then
funny.
I feel like Indians like Shubman, and we won without Shubman Shami and
True,
Rohit.
it is an amazing performance.
Yeah, but I feel like now Shubbu will also come back. I think Indians are really bad at sledging. Like Yashasvi also was like.
Yeah, but he's
too slow.
He's not a sledger really, but he's trying to be one.
Yeah, everyone needs to be one for some airtime.
Let me first say, what's his name? Mark, क्या नाम है?
Mark Nicholas.
Mark Nicholas. को थोड़ा कोचिंग देना पड़ेगा. He's the whole series. Did you notice the whole match? यशस्वी बोल रहा है भाई. एस पहले आता है उसके नेम में. यशस्वी बोल नहीं पा रहा है. यशस्वी. Sunny, what do you think about Yashasvi's performance? I'm like भाई कोई एक बार बोल दो इसको ऑफ एयर कि यशस्वी है.
Michael Slater 10 दिन है. So you can also have a rest day and then go hard at it.
Yeah, seriously.
Start with Say, I think that's why they didn't take Abhimanyu Ishwaran.
Oh, it would be too much. They were just.
We need some nets for the commentators.
Yeah, net practice करके आ जाओ. 11 days off है Mark Nicholas करके आ जाओ. But
और 11 दिन में संजू एंड सनी पाजी क्या सीख के है वो भी बता दे.
हाँ ये भी बता दो. 11 दिन में
11 सालों में नीचे सीख पाए.
और 11 दिन में ऑजीज तुम नया 11 प्लेयर्स निकाल के लाओ हमारे लिए. Because this is one of the most impressive team performances I think. I was going through the list. Everyone
chipped in
something or the other. Jurel's catch was amazing.
Yeah.
But of course वो नहीं खेलेगा.
Jurel and Devdutt ठीक है. But anyway
but they were still Devdutt he didn't expect to play and he got a chance.
Exactly. So we are like, and if you look at it like in the Nitish Kumar Reddy.
Bro, क्या मारा है
Nitin Mukesh.
Neil Nitin Mukesh of our cricket team.
Yes. He's 21 or 22 at this point.
This is what Harsha would come and say.
No, okay, no. Wait, why?
The brashness of youth.
Okay, let's see. Nitish Kumar Reddy, 21 years, 183 days old.
Oh my God.
So 21 and a half.
Amazing, a winner.
Yeah. And
he's a born winner.
And we are at 31 and a half.
अरे
almost.
ये सब नहीं बोलने का. 100 नॉट आउट किया ना हमारे एज का एक आदमी ने. विराट ने मारा.
Virat representing all the millennials.
Our king hit a century in the most anticlimactic way.
Yeah, he didn't
मार
know.
के 4 मिनट ऐसे हुआ कि है कि नहीं भाई.
And Virat Kohli's hair is looking.
Yeah, he's burgundy डाला है थोड़ा. L'Oreal or Maybelline something. Maybe he's born with it.
I thought he only believes in MRS ZLX.
I have to give compliments to Virat.
His MRS ZLX. His innings was sheer comfort. And long lasting.
This could be brought to you by them also if you want. But I have to say, I never ceases to amaze कि इतना मस्त बैटिंग तो कर ही लेता है. इतना दाढ़ी शेप भी मस्त है एकदम.
बाल भी हमेशा
हारपून वाला. बट इतना स्वैग से कोई सेंचुरी सेलिब्रेट किया है लाइफ में जैसे कोहली करता है? डूड हेड ऊपर ऐसे की, एंड ऑल द ऑजीज आर लाइक लुक लाइक वेयर कैन वी टर्न, वी डोंट वांट टू लुक एट दिस राइट नाउ, ही जस्ट सोक्स इट इन. ऐसे हो ही नहीं पाएगा.
एंड फ्लाइंग किस फॉर अनुष्का,
ऑफ कोर्स भाई, वो तो होता ही रहता है भाई. अनुष्का नीड्स एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल चाहिए. इतने फ्लाइंग किसेस आ रहे हैं विराट से लाइफ में, थोड़ा डायरेक्ट करो.
there's been a slight delay in this
yeah. एकदम killer performance. But yeah, 7 centuries by Virat against Australia in Australia. Thala for a reason. Worst Thala for a reason.
And yeah, maximum by any Indian.
Yeah,
वही है, मतलब मेरे को तो वही. And Yashasvi, I'm very impressed because dude, he started playing the ball late and everything.
Dude, he adapted after one duck. He's like, okay.
And थोड़ा बहुत पागलपन भी हमारे against हुआ. KL Rahul wicket, क्या डिस्कस करे, like it has में काफी कुछ.
We could have won by another 100-200 runs.
Yeah, he was getting off. Dude, he was looking solid and he's but playing again, the ball.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जय शाह ने आउट किया उसको, because he knew 67 for 7 कैसे करेंगे अगर राहुल आउट नहीं हुआ था. It's all the plan, dude. It's all.
Everything is planned.
We had to get
like how Rishabh Pant went to LSG. And Shreyas and sorry, who went? KL Rahul.
KL has gone to Delhi.
Yeah, that's Ajnabi. Yeah, एक रात के लिए तू मैं राज और तू विकी.
But what, sorry, अभी क्या बोल रहे थे इसके पहले?
Yashasvi,
KL. No, I'm saying, you know, when they say it's about getting them in early.
Yeah.
But this is the first time we have done it after getting ourselves out early. It's like ये बहुत ahead सोच के खेला है.
ये तो हमने बहुत ही आगे का सोचा है. I also feel like, but Travis Head needs to be the captain for Australia. I'm missing the ruggedness.
Agreed.
This blue-eyed boy.
I think I get what you're saying.
Without the beard or a mustache, you need like that, like
it's time though.
That Pawn Star Carpenter, I'm gonna fuck you.
The Dennis Lilly mustache needs to come back. Like even this guy used to have. हमारा कौन है उनका वो Mitchell Johnson used to keep it
also. So you need to bring in that.
But I feel like I'm fine with this blue-eyed Australia till मैच 3. हम 3-0 कर दे, उसके बाद लास्ट 2 में आ जाओ तुम लोग, अपने वाइब में आ जाइए.
हमें 5 जीतना है ना for WTC to be super certain. But I think if we win 2 more.
WTC का मैं अपनी सोच भी नहीं रहा honestly. बहुत टफ है. हमने जो न्यूजीलैंड के अगेंस्ट किया है उसके बाद. But
let's just enjoy the moment. Let's be.
Tell us in the comments how confident are you of India whitewashing them. That would be insane. That would be the greatest achievement in cricket.
All 11 would then get an Australian citizenship. Like they would just see, one is a Londoner.
Yeah.
The 3 that I'm named.
That's
one is
the
London,
only
one
way.
New Zealand, one Australia.
That's the only way Australia will win BGT again. If they take our 11 from us. इतना arrogance आ गया हम में अभी.
Oh man, आज बनता है हमारा. तो next test match, we are hoping Shubman, everyone.
Shubhu will be back. Rohit Bhai will be back.
I think let's see the news right now. Shubman Gill. Okay, Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma in. Yes. So that's like, it looks like Shubman physical with Shubman. Okay, nice. So Rishabh Pant gets physical with Shubman Gill during Perth test. I don't know what that means. I mean, they must be just having some, like this. They are physical. That's why in India.
ये तो मतलब first base भी नहीं है.
Yeah. ये तो फूल भी नहीं टकरा है अब तक. So, but anyway, so I think Shubman Gill second test, we'll have a second test.
Yeah, let's assume he's back. 11 days are there still.
Yeah.
And Rohit Bhai will be back.
Rohit Bhai.
तो अभी KL.
See, last time मैंने क्या बोला था कि KL को हमेशा hate मिलता है, and I'm always like have a soft spot because he just has to keep shifting.
I feel like, I know this is crazy, but it won't happen. But I feel KL should continue opening and Rohit should come down the order.
Yeah, that will never happen.
Because Rohit will hit a brisk 20 or 30. Instead, let KL. Like he's proved it in both innings.
Exactly.
He's the only guy who did both innings.
Dude, he played 74 balls.
Yeah,
okay, the new ball.
Yeah.
Like
and he's calm. He's in the zone. Let him keep going.
Exactly.
And if he gets out, he doesn't get affected. वो काफी life में KL ने सह लिया है already hate. Let him keep going.
Yeah.
Because of course Yashasvi is a given. He's
Yashasvi is a given. KL also, like now Devdutt की जगह दिए and Jurel की जगह it will be KL basically. And then we'll have the usual Now at Adelaide, we don't know now if we'll make a change in the team.
Yeah,
but,
I
like,
think it's-
Nitish Kumar Reddy again will
He'll
be there
stay.
because
Max, they were saying Akash Deep could come because he's playing well.
instead of Harshit Rana.
Yeah, it has to
Okay.
be him only.
Okay, no Prasidh Krishna.
Unfortunately, Prasidh.
Actually, yeah, he's the same mold of like he's a fast bowler, like but he
Yeah.
needs some swing.
Yeah,
and
it's
and
just-
also like shout out to Siraj's that second inning wicket
Oh.
of Steve Smith.
Oh, beautiful.
What the hell?
Beautiful. Set him up and just got him, man.
What was that out? Like that was an unlike उसमें मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि Steve Smith कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
कुछ नहीं कर सकता
Like
था.
ऐसी ball.
Siraj is just in like he's just Australia में ही रख दो Siraj को. And whenever we play there, he'll come from his local house and also wherever Sri Lanka plays उसको ले आओ वापस. He'll always destroy Sri Lanka. 5 for 1 ऐसे
बेचारे
ले
को
लेता.
बहुत इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ेगी.
I am only trust Siraj bhai in Australia. This is my. I am only believe Siraj bhai. But anything else from the game?
I mean, I think in
Bumrah next captain.
No, Travis Head next captain.
Travis Head,
That's
like
all
we
I
were
care about.
discussing, he's going to be a problem going ahead of
See,
the
there are
series.
3 problems. One we've tackled so far, which is Uzi.
Uzi Khawaja.
I'm still predicting 1 century.
One
by
century दे देंगे.
Him. Yeah, Travis Head.
ले लो 1 century है अरे छोड़ दे चलेगा.
Travis Head, and I also find Alex Carey really annoying.
Alex Carey, yeah,
because
he
he's down,
comes
and
down
even
the
Mitch
order.
Stark. All the lefties of the
Yeah.
team basically.
But I'm even scared of Cummins, even though he's not today. He didn't do it. He will do it
Yeah,
in
he
one of
will.
the tests.
I
You
mean,
know he
Cummins
does it.
and Stark were the reason they won the world.
That's
like
true.
if you remember the semi-final
Yeah.
they against South Africa
Yeah,
2023,
yeah.
they were the ones who got them to the final.
Yeah, so these.
they are scary.
What I picked up from this game is we are also scary now in batting down the order.
Yeah.
सबको batting आती है अभी more or less.
Dude, we were playing with when Kohli ka like 50 hua
Yeah.
and there was Washi
Yeah.
on the pitch and I
Yeah.
was like very confident and I'm like ये 100 हो सकता है अगर ये थोड़ा because
True.
काफी उसने let me see how many like he was like what 100 of 120 143 balls.
3 minute है हमारे पास. तो
हाँ.
बोल. Sorry,
So-
we're on a quick schedule for you
yeah,
guys.
because it's like you know we gotta
we trying to squeeze in so much for you
we're
because
trying
of
to
the
beat faster than the Australian wickets fell.
and this should be uploaded in one day after the game. So थोड़ा love भी दे दो.
हाँ.
बहन चोदो. सिर्फ हेट मिल रहा है हमें कमेंट्स में. थोड़ा लव भी दे दो और एक और स्पॉन्सर निकाल देते ये वाला डाल देना.
It is called
This could be sponsored by
Ace Blend Phenolene Trim Tonic.
yeah and ऊपर क्या लिखा है वो भी
Because
दिखा
they
दो.
need Australia needs to cut out the excess fat.
Cut out
in
the
their
fat
time.
and also every day you have to perform. Play super every day. You
Day.
can't just play one session 50
Yes.
overs. उसके बाद 67 for 7 हो जाते
Yeah,
हो.
losers, bloody Australians. इससे
Absolutely.
बेटर तो मैं इंडिया जिम्बाब्वे देख लेता.
Seriously, dude.
एटलीस्ट वो ज्यादा जल्दी खत्म हो जाता.
थोड़ा सफारी वफारी का शॉट्स दिखा देते हमें.
विक्टोरिया
at least.
फॉल्स देख लेते हैं
हाँ
हम.
कुछ तो मजा आता है dude. ये क्या है?
हाँ,
Roll them over.
But yes, coming back to lefties. You
Yes.
know, lefties are never having a good time in India, as in the left wing.
Yeah.
But in Australia, dude, like the Stark also bloody 20 runs, like that 67 to 100 they went. Stark के
Absolutely.
वजह से.
They play fearless cricket.
Yeah.
Fearless cricket there. Because there is nothing to fear because they are
Yeah.
going to lose. But
But one more thing about one lefty, Josh Hazelwood. You
oh
please
boy.
tell me what has
I'm
happened.
sure Josh Hazelwood basically he was asked
Divisive.
yeah थोड़ा बहुत hype कर दिया इन्होंने the media in Australia. But Josh Hazelwood was asked after day 3 ki I think something to the effect of exact याद नहीं है कि what are your chances or what do you think will happen. He's like I think that's a question for the batsman. I'm just going to go to the physio now and get treatment. I'm looking forward. The crazy thing was he said I'm looking forward to the next test. ये वाला बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया.
Okay, but
Josh भाई ने because he bowled so well.
yeah, he bowled really well.
Yeah,
I mean, not in
1
the but yeah,
Yeah,
even in
1 point something.
Oh yeah,
run
that's
rate hai, dude.
insane. Yeah, 1.33.
I mean, he never gives you less than an 8 on 10 performance. Hazelwood.
Yeah, Hazelwood is like my
Reliable.
most favorite Australian bowler. Even in white ball,
So
I
I
think
think what I'm trying to say is RCB gonna win IPL this time.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जीत they've bought Josh Hazelwood unless he pulls out for some reason. You can't pull out now.
I also feel there's one more like जय शाह ने बहुत बड़ा मास्टर स्ट्रोक किया है
बता.
BCCI ने कि ऑक्शन रख दिया उस दिन.
Yeah.
तो इंडियन बैट्समैन चार्जअप हो गए.
भाई.
So another petition to BCCI. सेकंड टेस्ट में भी ऑक्शन रखो.
Master stroke.
इस बार जेडा से कोई और कंट्री लेबनान चले जाओ.
Seriously. Seriously.
पूरा मिडिल ईस्ट का टूर कर लो, लिबिया चले जाओ.
भाई पंत जो खेलने वाला है
हाँ.
अभी, पंत आफ्टर एवरी
लिबिया
बाउंड्री.
पता नहीं, मैं लिबिया क्यों बोल,
लिबिया क्यों?
लेबनान. सॉरी नहीं, वो कौन सा है जो सऊदी के नीचे आता है?
यमन.
यमन.
यमन चले जाओ.
यमन चले जाओ.
यमन चले जाओ, कहीं भी चले जाओ. बट आई थिंक ऋषभ पंत एडिलेड में ही इज गोना कम विद मनी फॉलिंग आउट ऑफ हिज पॉकेट्स.
Yeah.
इतना पैसा मिला है हमारे बंदे को.
And Shreyas
27
will
point.
come to Wankhede to play Ranji.
Shreyas
with
Iyer.
money.
Shreyas Iyer gonna be wearing sunglasses every game in IPL next year.
Yeah, like, yeah, please troll me further.
My,
What else?
My
is it?
bank balance is too bright right now. He's gonna wear grills. वो rapper वाले grills,
हाँ.
gold plated.
Titanium grill.
Titanium.
Titanium helmet grill and teeth grill.
He's not even gonna look at Modi this time when he comes to thank everybody.
He's following Dhruv Rathi again. Follow him back.
But yeah, I think
That's
yeah. I mean, you already know we won it. Everything
Yes.
went well.
now Adelaide. I feel we'll okay. Announcement. We will try to do a live stream.
We
have
will.
in the process.
Yeah, we've heard what you had to say.
Yes.
Then we said no, and then we're like, "ठीक है,
Yeah.
let's do it anyway."
Yeah, we read every.
We're not doing it because you said it.
Yes.
No,
It's
we
our,
are.
totally our.
It's totally our decision, not because
Yeah.
you all shouted it in the
Oh.
comments. But we will try next week to do a live stream. and-
Adelaide is going to be very like this is
Yeah.
Australia's best chance to win because it's going to be very top
Wow,
dependent.
I can't believe that sentence is something we can
Let
say
us
now.
bask in the glory tonight.
In Australia,
Yeah.
it's their best chance to win because you know how we are in
Yeah.
Australia. These boys, it's true. We are so good abroad now. We can't play in India. हमें
All
spin
the
नहीं खेलना
childhood
आता है.
trauma is going away.
सब उल्टा हो गया
Yeah.
भाई. I think we all deserve Australian
I'm becoming a
citizenship.
morning person because of this victory.
Yeah, next game luckily 9:30 we have to get up. The
Yeah.
only game thoda late we can get up.
Yeah.
It's a die night test night.
Yeah. So you think we should either we should get okay. Chalo, we'll do it in the next.
Yeah,
stream.
next episode will be before the Adelaide test, so we will
We'll
discuss.
try to do a stream before the next.
Yeah,
test.
and so the predictions will be out before the test match begins,
Yeah.
most probably.
yes.
Because we are trying to do it live.
See, we don't have sponsors. If you know any sponsors, if you
Yeah.
are rich, just
Yeah.
send some money.
If you know the whole truth, can you get them to sponsor us?
yeah.
The whole truth is
ko,
that we are going to whoop Australia 5-0 this series. But also we need a sponsor and we like eating this. So
yes, whole
please,
truth. Please sponsor.
We need these mom and pop type brands.
Yes.
Healthy
And this
brands.
is Antariksha's last episode before he goes
Oh, is
for
it?
his wedding. Kind of.
Maybe,
Yeah, maybe.
next week to nahi aayega?
That's a prediction we gotta make.
Yeah, will Antriksh be there next week? Antriksh is getting married. So again, guys, you have not brought in the Sherwani money for
Yes.
us yet.
He's
but
still in his shirt.
You have 1 week left to do that for us.
Yes.
So please
34
thoda
and
kar do.
apna kitna 14 each.
Yeah,
14 a pop.
14 a pop. Please Jeddah se bhej do hame thoda paisa.
34 and 28. Come on, yeah. What is 10? What is 50, 80 lakhs for you guys?
It's
man?
nothing.
It's
You
nothing.
guys, you're our core fan base
Yeah.
who keeps.
Our podcast is only for HNIs.
Yeah, by the way, someone commented, I thought these guys are serious about it. Don't ever accuse us of being serious.
Yeah.
That's my only request. Ye
Go
bak-
follow Jared Kimber for
Yeah.
serious stuff.
serious
Where-
analysis
but
there.
yeah, shout out. Great analysis.
Great, Jared Kimber. If you want
Wobble
to sponsor
ball,
us.
wobble ball. Bye, wobble ball. Harshit Rana to
Uh-oh.
Travis. Okay, what? Okay, before we
Oh,
leave.
Billy Bowden,
Billy
last appearance.
Bowden.
All your requests have been met today.
Okay, but okay, I have one question just for
Haan.
Shamik.
Yes, jaldi bol.
Okay, so last. Travis had wicket in the first inning.
Yeah.
Siraj to Steve Smith in the second
Yeah.
inning.
Yeah.
Bumrah to Steve Smith in the first inning.
Favorite पूछ रहा
Washington
है.
Sundar to Nathan Lyon in the second
Favorite
inning.
पूछ
Yeah,
रहा है.
yeah.
I pick Bumrah to Travis Head in the second inning.
Okay.
Because I was
That
getting
was great. That
so
in the
irritated
situation.
by Travis Head,
Yeah.
and I'm like, Bumrah was chilling. He's like, I'll come back and take
Yeah.
him. And he bowled that short ball before that,
Hmm.
and Travis Head like he adjusted his
Yeah.
stance and he moved back,
Ah.
and then he got him. It was like a perfect setup.
Yeah.
89 पे I love when you get people at 89
Yeah.
because उसके बाद थोड़ा Travis Head would have hit a big 100 if you
Yeah,
didn't
he
get
would
him
have gone
there.
for a daddy 100.
Yeah.
My favorite was
उसका मुंह चौड़ा
Bumrah to
लंबा हो जाता.
McSweeney, both. Dude, but there were so many wickets like in the first
McSweeney.
over, first ball.
Yeah.
Like,
मक्सवीनी तो
Cold.
भाई तू जाके मतलब मक्स वर्ल्ड खा ले
हाँ.
मैकडॉनल्ड्स में इस बार कुछ नहीं कर पाया बेचारा.
calling the ball a Maxwell.
It's a debut. I'm sure.
Another Jared Kimber video on that.
Kya?
that McSweeney is actually not an opener. He's gotten all his runs at number 5
I
because
think,
of this Kookaburra ball, which has this
lacquer.
wobble seam and this extra some stuff
Ah.
that they've done to it. So no one in Australia is scoring runs as an opener.
Dude, I have a lot of feeling that ये pink ball पे और ये सब different types of balls में different types of swing जो होता है, it's highly exaggerated also. I read some stuff कि pink ball is more or less the same as red
Oh,
ball.
yeah?
But some people say it's totally different. It swings more. And
Ah.
some say it swings more for the first 15 overs and then it doesn't swing.
So cricket is unpredictable. I
cricket is
don't think you can
unpredictable.
actually mention
The
like,
only time you can get shat on is if you make a prediction after the thing is over.
Yeah.
That's only when you can
and
get
the only
us.
prediction is right is we believe in Jassi Bhai.
I only believe in
It just-
Jassi Bhai. That's the name of the episode.
So-
We'll see you next week. Smash the like button. Everything.
Smash it.
Smash it and keep supporting.
Bye bye.
Bye.